Ready to take your career to new heights? Dive into the world of forklift operation with our expert-led training at Interstate Heavy Equipment. Why choose us? Number 1, expert instructors. Learn from seasoned professionals with years of industry experience. Number 2, comprehensive curriculum. Master the essential basics of forklift operation. Number 3, hands-on training. Get behind the wheel and perfect your skills in a real-world setting. Number 4, safety first. Embrace the latest safety standards to ensure a secure work environment. What's included? Forklift controls and functions, load handling and stacking techniques, safety protocols and OSHA compliance, certification upon completion. Visit our website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Contact us today to get started. 469-370-7501. Elevate your career with Interstate Heavy Equipment, where expertise meets excellence.